welcome to the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus as it is the 12th of April 2023. I'm Nikki Roshni and these are the headlines. Ethereum Shanghai upgrade, what to expect. US inflation rate falls to 5.0%. Elon Musk buys GPUs for Twitter AI project. Argentina securities regulator approves Bitcoin futures index. Hong Kong virtual bank to offer crypto conversions and accounts. Ren Protocol transfers all assets to FTX debtors wallet, possible shutdown. Coinbase wins $470,000 restitution in insider trading case. Circle and BlockFi questioned on banking with SVB. Events packed for the month of April and more to come. Now the market trades today. Bitcoin is at $30,200. Ethereum is at $1,800. BNB is at $319. Solana is at $24 and the dollar to naira rate at 744. First up, the software that underpins the second biggest crypto coin Ether is due for a software upgrade today, the 12th of April, that will give investors access to more than $30 billion on digital tokens. Known as the Shapella, the latest upgrade to the Ethereum blockchain will enable investors to redeem an offshoot of Ether tokens that they have deposited in return for interest on the blockchain network over the past 3 years. Such so-called staked Ether tokens currently account for about 15% of all Ether tokens, according to the data from Dune Analytics, and are worth $31 billion. Shapella is scheduled on mainnet for epoch 194048, scheduled for 22/27/35 UTC on the 12th of April 2023. The changes will likely lead to heightened volatility for Ether, investors have predicted. Next up, Elon Musk, the CEO of SpaceX, Tesla, and as of October 2022, Twitter, recently made headlines when he spearheaded a letter to halt artificial intelligence AI development due to societal concerns. Despite the efforts, the tech mogul seems to be pushing forward with his own plans for developing AI infrastructure. A report revealed that Musk appears to be moving forward with plans for an AI project at Twitter. According to two anonymous sources familiar with the company, the Twitter CEO recently purchased nearly 10,000 graphics processing units, GPUs, to be used on the platform. Typically, GPUs work on large-scale AI models due to the massive computation power required by the technology. This follows a tweet from Musk on the 18th of March, in which he said that the company would use AI to detect and highlight manipulation of public opinion on Twitter. In other news, the dollar has dropped in the international currency markets after headline US inflation fell by more than expected last month. The dollar has lost almost 0.5% as traders digest the fall in the annual consumer prices index to 5% in March. The slowdown in inflation could encourage the US Federal Reserve to ease up on its interest rate increases, although the Fed won't like the annual rise in core inflation. Also, the securities regulator of Argentina has approved a Bitcoin-based futures index set to debut on the Matba Rofex exchange. The Bitcoin futures contracts will start trading in May, with the exchange claiming it would be the first regulated Bitcoin futures index in Latin America. The National Commission of Value, CNV, the country's securities regulator, approved the Bitcoin futures index as part of a strategic innovation agenda. For the provision and use of payment services in the nation, an exchange providing these contracts must ensure it has a valid contract with a payment services provider registered with the Central Bank of the Argentine Republic. The regulated Bitcoin Futures Index will offer qualified investors a safe way to gain Bitcoin exposure in a transparent and regulated environment. At the same time, the CNV has also asked the Matba Rofex exchange to incorporate alerts that warn investors of the risks associated with such financial instruments. Moving on, ZA Bank, Hong Kong's biggest virtual bank by assets, is reportedly set to provide crypto account services and facilitate crypto to fiat exchanges. The bank will act as a settlement bank to allow token deposits at licensed exchanges to be withdrawn in Hong Kong dollars, Chinese yuan, and United States dollars, and is also offering account services to crypto firms. The accounts for local crypto firms follow a trial in a regulatory sandbox that saw approximately 100 firms participate, but ZA Bank CEO Ronald noted that clients from mainland China would not be offered the service due to the country's restrictions. Ronald added that currency conversations are currently being offered by the only two licensed crypto exchanges in Hong Kong, Hashkey and OSL. Meanwhile, cross-chain bridge platform Ren Protocol has announced that FTX, Alameda Research, and other affiliates that acquired the platform in 2022 have authorized and directed the platform to move all its crypto assets to FTX debtors' wallets. According to Ren, the move lets debtors safeguard their assets in case of a potential shutdown of their systems and infrastructure. The bridge service also highlighted that they would transfer the assets to a segregated wallet specific to Ren's assets to separate the funds from other debtor wallets. In a move to gather more resources and further its mission to push interoperability within the decentralized finance (DeFi) space, Ren joined Alameda Research on the 2nd of February 2022. According to its CEO, Taiying Zhang, the Alameda acquisition will expedite the decentralization of its technologies. Zhang also highlighted in a blog post that it would have Alameda resources to back them. More interesting news, as the brother of a former Coinbase employee has agreed to pay the cryptocurrency exchange nearly $470,000 for his role in an insider trading scheme. Nikhil Wahi, brother of former Coinbase product manager Ishan Wahi, will be required to begin making restitution payments while serving time in prison in what is believed to be the first insider trading case involving crypto. The amount must be paid in full within 20 years of Nikhil's release from prison and represents the amount Coinbase spent on legal services relating to the Department of Justice's investigation. To close up the news today, executives at the stablecoin issuer Circle and the bankrupt cryptocurrency lender BlockFi have been questioned by two members of Congress investigating the so-called mutual back-scratching agreements alleged to have taken place with the now-failed Silicon Valley Bank. On the 9th of April, letters from Senator Elizabeth Warren and Representative Alexandra Ocasio-Cortez, AOC, were sent to Circle, BlockFi, and 12 other non-crypto tech firms asking a series of questions on each firm's relationship with SVB. Jeremy Allaire and Zach Prince, the respective chief executives of Circle and BlockFi, were questioned on the length of their financial relationships with SVB and amounts deposited with the bank, along with what agreements were made between their firms. Finally, on blockchain events in the month of April, Ethereum Zurich 2023 from the 14th to the 16th of April 2023 in UZH Zurich, Switzerland. Ethereum Zurich is a hackathon and conference organized by UZH Blockchain Center for the Ethereum community. At the conference, invited experts will share presentations in the Ethereum community, VMs and blockchain execution, data availability, zero-knowledge proof technologies, cryptography, and cybersecurity. Visit Crypto TV Plus events site for more information. And that's it for the weekly news update here on Crypto TV Plus. For more market updates and all the happenings captured in the world of blockchain and cryptocurrency, visit our website cryptotvplus.com. Also follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook and Twitter at Crypto TV Plus, and on Instagram at Official Crypto TV Plus to get daily info on our programs. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification button as well. And just in case you have questions regarding any of our news at all, join me in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I'm Nikki Oshini, and I'll see you next time.